How to fix Discord not opening. If your Discord is not opening up on your mobile phones, then there are a couple of things that you can try out to fix this problem. Firstly, make sure that your app of Discord is fully updated. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store and search for Discord. If there is an update, make sure you update the app, because these kind of problems are caused mainly because of some kind of bug in the system. So updating apps helps to remove these kind of issues. The next thing you can do is you can clear the cache and data of Discord. To do that, you can tap and hold on the Discord app and head over to App Info. If you're on an iOS, you can head over to the settings and search for Discord, and you can offload the app from there. Here you can tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear Cache. Again, you would want to clear the data of Discord. Now what this will do is it will remove all of your information such as your username, email address and your password of Discord. Now next time you open up your Discord, you will need to log into your account again. The other thing it will do is it will remove all of the unwanted data and temporary files that have been downloaded. Sometimes this kind of problems occurs because there are tons of temporary files being stored on your phones on the Discord app. Now after you complete both of these steps, you should be able to open up Discord normally. If you guys found this video useful, then give this video a thumbs up, and that's going to be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.